In this section, we explore reference types, which store references to data in memory and share data instead of copying it. A string is an immutable sequence of characters. The object type is the root for all reference types. A class is a blueprint for creating objects with specific properties and methods. An interface defines a set of methods that classes or structs must implement. A delegate represents references to methods, enabling event-driven programming. An array is a fixed-size collection of elements of the same type. Collections are dynamic data structures like lists and dictionaries. The dynamic type allows variables to hold any data and bypasses compile-time type checking. A record is an immutable data structure with value-based equality. Nullable reference types improve null safety by identifying whether a reference can be null.